Airwallex has become one of the most reliable financial technology platforms for businesses and freelancers who handle cross-border payments. Choosing the right Airwallex account setup can determine how smoothly your global transactions run, how much you save in fees, and how efficiently you receive or send money across currencies. When you open an Airwallex account, you gain access to global multi-currency wallets that allow you to hold, manage, and convert funds in over 40 currencies. This feature alone eliminates the need for multiple bank accounts in different countries. For businesses working with international clients, suppliers, or remote teams, the best Airwallex account is the Global Business Account, designed specifically to manage everything in one platform. With the Global Business Account, users can open local accounts in major currencies such as USD, Euro, GBP, AUD, and more, without the need for a physical presence in those regions. This allows you to receive payments like a local and settle invoices faster, avoiding hidden conversion costs and long delays common with traditional banks. Another major advantage is Airwallex's competitive exchange rates. The platform uses interbank rates with minimal markups, meaning you keep more of your money when transferring funds internationally. You also get free domestic transfers in many regions and low-cost global payments that often arrive within 1 or 2 business days. Airwallex integrates smoothly with accounting tools like Xero and QuickBooks, and supports virtual and physical cards that make expense management simple. Whether you're a startup scaling globally, an e-commerce seller, or a remote professional paid in different currencies, the Airwallex Global Business Account provides flexibility, transparency, and speed unmatched by most competitors. The best Airwallex account for global payments is the Global Business Account because it combines multi-currency support, real-time exchange rates, and seamless global transfers into one powerful financial solution built for modern international business.